Okay, welcome traders, welcome investors. Thank you for joining me here again at my YouTube channel. First and foremost, thank you for everybody that watched the episode I uploaded yesterday. Thank you for the couple people that left, thumbs up. Thank you for the comments. It's really cool for a new channel to get views. I mean, it made me very happy, and I appreciate everybody who took the time to watch it and just leave some feedback. Second off, I'm an individual investor. Okay, the things I talk about here are going to be my individual investing strategy, and I'm just sharing it with other people. Okay, if you take advice from a guy you found on the internet, that makes you a dummy. Okay, so what are we talking about today? I've got a treat for you guys. Okay, we're talking about Bitcoin, and if you are in the investing space, whether you believe in the future of cryptocurrency, whether you follow the meme coins, whether you invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum, whether you own entire Bitcoins, whether you don't believe in it, okay? You have to admit that if you are a serious investor, this is an asset worth holding, okay? Pretty much everybody, I don't want to speak in absolutes, pretty much everybody knows that Bitcoin has just seen a crazy rise, and with those rises also come crazy falls, right? 52 weeks ago, I think Bitcoin was worth $25,000. Huge volatility, but you know what? A lot of people believe that maybe this is the future of fintech. So regardless, I'm going to talk about it because as you can see on the chart that we have pulled up here, we have an interesting opportunity. This is the daily chart for the past year, approximately, okay? And as you can see here, I've identified a range. This is exactly the range that I've been trading since about March. You can see that there's crazy support here at this bottom support line, and there's crazy resistance here at the top resistance line. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, it is possible, okay, once you've identified this trend, to buy a position here and sell a position here, or sell the position here at this double top, right? Buy a position here, buy a position here, buy a position here, and then sell here at this double top, right? And I would even say, look, you have one, you have two, you have one, two. Okay, so you can kind of see what I'm looking at, right? Except you're going to say, well, Scotty, hasn't it broken the trend here? Yes, it has. If you watched my last video, you will know that I'm a big fan of moving averages. So let me double down on what I'm about to say. This is the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average is an indicator that indicates movement over a long period of time. And as you can see here, it's going up. So now if we focus in on this candle here, right? What has this candle done? I'll give you a second to answer. If you're telling me, Scotty, this candle has pierced the 200 moving day average, you're correct. Now, what did I tell you in the last episode? Bouncing off averages is a good thing. Here's what I expect. I expect Bitcoin to bounce off this 200-day moving average, and I expect it to make a reversal up. Okay? Now, beware. Bitcoin is prone to falling 75% very quickly. However, if you buy into the 4-year bear and bull thesis, we still have a year and a half left in our current bull cycle, meaning we can expect upwards momentum for the next year and a half before we enter a bear cycle. Regardless, this is my individual investing strategy. As you can tell from the title of the video, this is how I plan to trade Bitcoin. I just wanted to share it with you guys real quickly. As you can see, we have pierced the 200-day moving average. We have fallen below my trend line. As a matter of fact, I deposited a little bit more dry powder today to buy this dip. Okay? This price right here is my current cost basis. And once I buy in, it will fall, hopefully below this trend line. But there you have it. That's my idea. That's my theory. That's what I'm going with. And then I'm going to wait for it to reject here, just like it did here, 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 and here. And I'm going to sell it. And I'm going to buy it again when it reaches here. And I'm going to sell it again when it reaches here. And I'm going to churn up a bankroll. No questions asked. Now, if it breaks this trend line, a lot of people think that we could be seeing, a $100,000 Bitcoin, a $150,000 Bitcoin. I don't know. All I'm looking at is charts, and the charts tell me that it's a good time to buy this. Let me know what you guys think below. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, leave me a subscription. Everything you guys do, every little ounce of feedback, I appreciate. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Scotty out.